Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: battery, generator or TEK power, and at least one insulated wire. Immediately place the generator within range and set it to a low output to avoid surge damage. Once done, snap the battery into the connection port and attach 2 4 wires. Choose thicker wire for faster transfer. You do this because controlled initial current prevents overheating and preserves battery health. Make sure to watch the battery UI to verify it recognizes the source and shows incoming charge. You now manage the middle steps. Observe the charging rate and any temperature indicators closely. If the battery heats, reduce the generator output by 5–10% increments. If it stays cool, you can increase output to speed things up. Once you have stable current, consider adding a capacitor or regulator between the generator and battery to smooth spikes and improve efficiency. You do this because consistent current extends battery lifespan and prevents sudden failures. Make sure to keep visual checks every minute until charge is steady. You complete the process by stopping charge when the UI shows full capacity, then safely disconnect wires and store the battery. Once done, run a short test by powering a small device to confirm retained charge. If something goes wrong, battery not charging or overheating, disconnect immediately and check connections, wire integrity, and generator settings. The most common fix is swapping a damaged wire or lowering generator output. Try a spare battery to isolate the fault. You do this to prevent damage and confirm a reliable charge.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.